Hi, hello kids. You are watching Wow Facts. I am Pooja. Have any idea why we get sneeze?
When the inside of your nose membrane gets a message and will send to special part of our body, and the brain sends message to all the muscles.
Here, somebody can sleep for 3 years.
If the weather is not cooperating, they can actually sleep for up to 3 years.
To watch out the full video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.